Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Pnut USDT trading pair with my customer set. What's going on now with this token? Let's dive in. Just guys, quick updates for this token. Congrats everybody who not hop into that meme random squirrel token at $1, at $2, because it was absolutely illogical to buy that token around 2 billion market capitalization after listing on Binance just because of hype of some squirrel, right? But people all the time made the same mistake, and I highly recommend you go and check the educational video what I posted about how to work with the news in crypto, with the new listings in crypto, so you understand more the market, the other side, not tech side, not chart side of the market. So marketing side. So guys, if we use initiation accumulation pump model, after listing here, and this was a listing on Binance, November 11, and we are now tested several times the best zone to buy. This one bounced it. Now we're at 21 cents, and this is still okay zone for accumulation. But guys, first of all, this is just a meme token, so high risky asset. We can dump even on the listing price, invalidate this idea. So I highly recommend you guys not gamble too much, right? This is, by the way, the charts on a BitGet. So that was on a Binance because this candle was listed on a Binance. If we talk about initiation accumulation pump model on BitGet, this is what we can see. We can dump even to this one, to 0.5 level by FIP, 6 cents. I warned you and I showed you these targets. Of course, it's not necessary, so we will drop now. We can drop, for example, this summer. We can drop next bear market, for example. Now, of course, we're trying to find the oldest chart with the lowest listing prices on a BitGet. It was like 1 cent. But guys, be realistic. So here, this is the same fee what I showed you before. So I recommend you go and check the first video about a Pnut, because after listening to Binance, I shared with you this video and showed you it's possible to dump to 20 cents to, I don't know where we stop it, to 13 cents. People say no, it's impossible. It's impossible, you're too late and all of this stuff, guys. But it's just a pattern from the market makers, how they use the centralized exchanges now, the Binance and the other exchanges. The same story with the Trump, with almost all other tokens which listed 2023, 2024, 2025. I don't know what's the point for centralized exchanges use and be the part of this game, because I don't know, it maybe for me personally it's not looks so good for reputation, right? But I guess in crypto now reputation is absolutely nothing. Everybody here for the money. So guys, this is and by the way, about a BitGet also, what's the point to list the token if just recently, a few days ago, I shared with you the post. So the BitGet sent us the email. In 1 day, they will delist or already delisted 74 trading pair. Not a trading pair like USDT, USDC. No, just 74 tokens. I have no idea what's the point to list that tokens to your platform, just to be the part of the game and use your followers like exit liquidity. Because anyway, you promote it. You promote it to listings, you share the information. I guess you analyze the tokens before what you list it. But guys, who cares about this stuff in the crypto? Everybody here for the money. So the drop, the capitulation for Pnut, it's 6 cents 24, 5 cents round number, 324 to 47. And of course, this token also can be delisted from the exchanges. The bullish targets, guys, the best case scenario is to see something like this one, of course. The bullish one here, the order flow. So sooner or later, we will breaking out this local structure, go higher with the retest or without, close 50% of this order flow on the daily. Also, most likely we will come back and close to 50%, at least $1. Going to be like a trigger, like a magnet for the Pnut once again. But guys, ask yourself, is it okay to invest now with potential drop to 6 cents, for example? I'm not saying, we will drop to the 6 cents, but just be careful. Technically, guys, here the 58 cents, 55 is going to be the target, you know, for correction. So the worst case about a timing, if we will see something like this one now and start build a drop again in, this is April, May, and this is a drop in summer. This is going to be the bad case scenario. Why bad? Because like I told you all the time, we will waste the time again, right? And if the peanut will bounce now to 58 and drop to 6, you can imagine most likely the other tokens will do the same, right? So this is a first trouble area. It's 58, 55, 58, 59 cents. It's first trouble area, monthly favorable gap. So the bearish targets, you know, and I would like to show you with my customer research what's going on now with this token, guys. And I highly recommend you in educational purpose, go and double check the first video what I posted about a peanut to understand the logic. So unfortunately, we're just in the middle on a weekly. So I don't like the session like this one. We can pump up right to the distribution zone, or we can dump to the accumulation zone. Now we're just in the middle. I don't like to trade something like this one. We're still in the market mode, a free zone. Direction, no data. Daily. Yes, while we drop here, they will start accumulate. So they accumulated, right? So it was like 24 cents comfortable price, 13 cents comfortable price for the divergency. And I wish to see one more dump from the bigger divergency, and I don't know, maybe 10 cents. It's going to be a good one. And now all this in periods is capitulation on the daily. Now it's a hope. So up to you guys. I skip the peanut. Too risky. Yes, it can be good gains, right? But for me, not enough reasons, not enough arguments to invest in this meme token. But anyway, I still believe the April, May will be green for all crypto market. This is accumulation, money inflow. This was a sell on a daily. Fix a profit from short. This is a buy, bounce, no signal to sell or recommendation close position, nothing. Weekly time frame, no data. 12 time frame. This was accumulation, recommendation close position. So nothing special now, guys. Targets, you know. So I'm not share with you some random stuff. You know, I share with you the data. What do we got now at this current moment? Money power, no money inflow. So yes, we under middle line. Technically, we can see even the new all-time high, guys, for the peanut. So I believe this was not an end of cycle, you know, for the meme sector also. I think we'll see the pump again. Technically here, we try and breaking out the buy line. I wish to see one more drop to 12-hour time frame, because now we're around the take profit line. It's 23.68. Buy line on 12 time frame, it's 11.85, and my value it's 8 cents 91. So this is at daily time frame, guys. If we recover now and go higher, it can be, of course, 43 cents 39, 49 exit line. We can go even higher to 50, 56, 58. So this is what I tell them. So I repeat, this scenario will be pretty bad, because most likely will drop lower. So the best case scenario is to see this drop now and recover normal healthy recover in April, May, and go higher. So this is a way if you want to speculate and try to catch the luck now at 22, just in case 44, 45 withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, forget about this one, and wait a new high or new all-time high. Now locally we around the take profit line. So just in case, guys, if you use my customer set, you know it before. Guys, all targets I showed you. How recommend you in educational purpose. Go and double check the first video about a peanut to understand the logic, why we dump it and where we stop it and why we stop it exactly here and what to do now. If you would like to trade with my customer set, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.